Hi and welcome. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add icons such as this computer, recycle bin, and control panel on your desktop. In many cases, for a newly or a freshly installed Windows, you'll be missing these functions that helps you to navigate your computer or your Windows computer easily. As you can see on the home screen of this computer, there are so many programs and folders, but this PC or my computer icon is missing, as well as the control panel is missing. To add them, simply right-click on an empty space on your computer and then select the last function, which is personalize. From personalize, click on themes and then head to the far right and click on desktop icon settings. From the list, select all the desktop icons that you want to appear on your list. For my case, I want computer, recycle bin, and then control panel to appear. Once you are done, click on apply and then click on OK. Now let's go back to our home screen, and as you can see, this PC and the control panel icons have appeared. Now this gives us an easy way to navigate through our computer by just making a few simple clicks. Go ahead and rearrange your desktop. For instance, I want this PC icon to appear here, to be the first one. You can move them around. I also want this to move here. You can move all your applications on your desktop the way you want. Go ahead and move them the way you wish. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, kindly hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video. Bye bye for now.